This is so delicious. Healthy coconut and cookies homemade ice cream recipe you need to try. And this recipe is going to blow your mind. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite girl again, Chef Boss, and in today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your homemade ice cream recipe. These are all the ingredients you need. This is our crushed cookies, our grated coconuts, our whipped cream, coconut milk, and our condensed milk, and these are all the ingredients you need. So in the bowl, you're just going to add your whipped cream to it, and then you're just going to add half of this coconut milk. Just half of it is fine. I didn't add everything to it. And after that, we're just going to whip this. I whipped this between 10 to 12 minutes until it got to the consistency that I want. I'm sure by now you should know how to make your ice cream following all my ice cream recipe. So after 15 minutes, I think so, I added my condensed milk. That's my daughter's, and please kindly ignore. Then I whipped this for just 1 minute. I set a timer for it, just 1 minute. Immediately after 1 minute, I just stopped. So time for us to add our other ingredients. I went in with my grated coconut, that's my fresh coconut, and also my crushed cookies. And I used my spatula to mix this together until it's properly combined. So I'm just going to transfer to my bowl. And to make sure I get everything out. So I'm just going to eat it down, and this is just for me to remove all the bubbles. So I'm just going to cover with my cling film, and then I refrigerate. I kept this for over 8 hours, and after that I just cooked this, and this is what we have. So I decided to just add toppings to it to just elevate the look. So I added crushed cookies and also grated coconut to it, and this will just give it the crunchy taste. But I wouldn't lie, just so you know, cookies makes everything taste better. Like, everything just tastes better with cookies. So at the end of the day, this is what we have. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? And don't forget to watch our other videos to learn how to make your easy and affordable recipe. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.